there.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockwall, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Terrell, Forney, Roy City, Heath, Princeton, Fett, Farmersville, Mobile City, Levant, McClendon, Chisholm, Nevada, Josephine, Lawrence, Lake Rehoboth, Levon Lake, and Cokeville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 65 and 79. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.